And whereas birds have sung to us and given us beauty and life, have awakened us with the dawn each morning, have hunted for us, fought for us, navigated and carried messages for us. And whereas birds have kept us safe underground, have provided therapy in our homes and hospitals, have fed us, clothed us, and entertained. And whereas birds inspired and taught man to fly. And whereas, let us bring bird lovers together and unite in this celebration to give thanks for the unique contributions birds have made in our lives and our world. And now, therefore, I, Richard T. Crotty, by virtue of the authority vested in me as Orange County Mayor, do hereby proclaim the week of October 1st through October 7th as Bird Appreciation Week in Orange County, Florida, in celebration of all birds, from those who share our environment to those who share our homes.
And that's why we have birds on harnesses, isn't it? With a nice fly around. Before the bird blessing, I want to give the mic over to the major sponsor of this event this first year is to Petco, who have sponsored the rainforest area. This is Rebecca from Petco.
Let's hear it for the Friends of a Feather Festival! I want to thank everyone for coming out today, and make sure that you stop by my booth. Corene has been so kind and so wonderful to come out to our stores and start to give lectures. So really thank you so much for coming out and being one of our newest and greatest adoption partners. Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm very proud to actually associate things with Petco, because as you know, they've fallen and have embraced the bird community extremely well. They are actually the first major bird retail store that is actually accepting and encouraging bird adoption groups to be in their stores. So no longer is it just the wonderful dogs and the cats, we actually see bird adoptions going on in the Petcos as well, and I give kudos to you and thank you, and that's why you are here. Okay, are you ready for a blessing? Boy, I need one. I'm going to hand you over to David Wolf of the American Native Association, and he's going to bless each and every bird here and wherever they are. Over to you, David.
Oseo Tohiju. Hello, how are you? On behalf of the American Indian Association, on behalf of the United States, the world, we go in prayer. I ask you if you bow your head to the Creator you know, and we'll give thanks for this wonderful day. Eji Dado, Galaneda, we come to you today. We thank you for this day, this beautiful, beautiful day. We thank you for our friends, our feathered friends that fly high. They've been so good to us. We call ourselves stewards of them, but they're really stewards of us. May we learn from them today. May we help them and help each other. We bless this day. We thank you for all of our lives. We ask that each one travel safely home when the day is done. On behalf of all, thank you again. Aho, Amane.
Thank you very much indeed. And for all of those who knew Anne Young and loved Anne Young, let this be hers. Look behind you.
Oh, I'm smiling down on you today.
And let our prayers go to the sky.
I'm not so very far away. I'm in your heart. Our lives belong to present time.
Enjoy the festival. It's now open. Does anybody know any Jimmy Buffett songs? All of these vendors are giving 20% of their daily takings to the non-profits that you see there. So know that when you go and spend and get a drink or whatever you purchase from this festival, these vendors are supporting the non-profit bird rescue by giving 20% of their takings. So bear that in mind. Don't spend your money. Go on, go on. I do not want anybody to leave with a penny left in their pocket today. So I'll make myself quite clear.